Geometro 1994 after new clutch kit was installed. I'm going to show you the engine so you can see, and it might be a little bit loud. But this is the Geometro that the clutch kit was installed in the series of videos that I have on my Hi Honey YouTube channel. I hope that you find these videos helpful, that you share, you like, you comment, and you subscribe. I really appreciate it. Pop the hood. My little front emblem did come off because of the heat. It gets about 110 here, but I do have it. Now give me 1 second so I can focus. This is my engine. It has been sitting out, and it is kind of a countryside out here, so the engine is a little bit dusty. This battery is a new battery. I do need to clean it up. And here's the engine, the transmission. You see the belts, they're spinning. Now, the engine is warming up, so it is slowing down slightly. Here's the engine of my Geometro 1994 Geometro 3-cylinder standard. There's a transmission that was replaced back onto the vehicle. Those are my keys falling. Now here, I still have to replace a bolt. When we pulled it out, it looked like it was stripped, so the hole does go all the way through, and what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to get a screw that fits all the way through with a lock nut and washers that is grade 8 that you can find at Lowe's. So it would be the same strength that's required, and I will be installing that maybe later this afternoon. And I have a fairly new battery, although it does need cleaning. And I am using a Duralast. So this is it. This is the Geometro. And here's a image. I don't know if anybody needs that for their vehicle, but this is underneath the hood, starting to fade out. So maybe this is a good idea to have on record. Now we'll be doing a video. I've already replaced the seal, but the new one seems to be leaking right in the corners. So I'll be doing a video taking care of that, replacing it again. I do have to find a replacement bolt and just do a cleaning of the engine. Also here on the belts, I have to remove this and change the seal in here. Now here on the bottom, if I remove this plate, here's for the timing belt. Right in here, I need to replace this seal. So that will be for another day, and I will be doing a video on this. Well, let's go ahead and close back the hood for the Geometro. I have to replace this emblem, but like I said, it gets about 110 degrees here in the heat, and it did kind of melt back off. I do have it, but I still have to replace it. So here it is, my little Geometro. I hope you liked my video and that you find them helpful. If there's a part in the Geometry you'd like more information on, and if I'm able to, I'll post a video with that location of the part. So I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.